Welcome to each and everyone on this session this morning. Let me just get this out of the way. Right, so what is crypto fortune? Why is it creating such a buzz in the market currently? I'm going to get this out of there. Right, so this is basically the A, B, and C of crypto fortune, how it works. You participate and you get rewarded. If you don't participate, you don't get rewarded. That is the long and the short of it. Many people want to overcomplicate it, put too much things in it that is not even there. But this is the main operation or how it functions, the mechanics. If you participate, you get rewarded. If you don't participate, you do not get rewarded. Right. First of all, I must read you this financial disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This is for educational purposes only, and no financial advice is given in this presentation. Crypto rewards and anything in the financial market involves risk. And never participate with funds that you cannot afford to lose. And past performance is not indicative of future results or a guarantee of future results. And nothing is guaranteed in this life, especially not in the financial industry or markets or sector. Right, and please take note, this is not investment advice. Crypto Fortune is not an investment company or platform. Right, so what is Crypto Fortune? Crypto Fortune is a self-running global community ecosystem for crypto-based financial growth. They are making use of the latest technology, smart contract innovation, to give you a reward of 3.33% every 24 hours for those who are participating in the protocol. Right, it is not an investment where you receive return on investment every 24 hours of 3.33%. It is a reward for your participation. Now they're using the word ROI because that is, most people understand that. But that is where the confusion comes in, and this is not, it's got nothing to do with investment. There is no external source of the funds where it gets generated except from within the community. And I wanted to change this one. I was just busy in the last couple of minutes of this. So, welcome to this. I just want to read you again this legal disclaimer. Right, so the goal is to explain how Crypto Fortune works, how the numbers are calculated, and why some participants use this system as a strategy to grow their crypto over 30-day cycles. Right, this is not financial advice. There is no income guarantees, and the results always depend on individual decisions, market conditions, and how the system is used. What I will show you are the mechanics of how the platform works or the protocol works, the mathematics behind it, the structure, and you can decide for yourself whether this makes sense for you and if you want to participate in this protocol or not. It means that the mathematical model allows for doubling your money in it, right, if you make use of this. The strategy requires discipline, right? This is not a set and forget, although many people might think about it or think that way. Withdrawals, reinvestments, and timing all affect the outcomes. So your personal activity, what you do personally, will also affect the outcomes. Right, and Crypto Fortune provides the mechanism, the tools, the platform, the structure is there. We need to use it, put it to use. The results depend on each user behavior. Right, so once again, Crypto Fortune is a participating protocol. If you participate, you get rewarded. I'm going to move this out of the way. Right. What is Crypto Fortune? It's a blockchain-based smart contract protocol platform. There is no company managing the funds. This is not a company. It does not need to be registered. Right, there's no human interference and there's no manual payouts. There's no person sitting in an office somewhere in Dubai or in some obscure country in an office block pressing the buttons to make all the payouts and distribute the funds. The smart contract manages everything for us on our behalf. Right, so there's no interference from any human being or third party. That means the trust issue is removed. You don't have to trust people when you participate in this platform. That is your first question. How safe is my funds? Your funds is 100% safe. You will stake your funds for a period of 30 days only. Each cycle is a period of 30 days. It cannot be taken out within 30 days. It will be released after 30 days automatically. Right, you cannot get hold of those funds within the first 30 days if it has not expired yet. All right, so once the funds are deposited into the smart contract, the returns are calculated automatically. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to claim your daily, or push buttons to. You only have to claim your daily return. The contract, the smart contract, calculates it and distributes it to each user, and you claim it after 24 hours. And what we do in our team, once you have $5 or more accumulated, you claim it to save on the transaction fees, and then you reinvest it back into the smart contract. Why do you reinvest? That's to increase your daily 3.33% rewards that you are receiving for your deposits. Yeah. Right. So payouts are executed by the smart contract code. Nobody can change the smart contract code. Nobody can stop the code from operating. All right. The rules cannot be changed after the deployment. And this is automation, not promises. Once again, you don't trust any person, anybody in this protocol. Your trust is in the smart contract, the smart contract alone. Right? The smart contract cannot be influenced. It doesn't have emotions. It doesn't eat, sleep, or has emotional swings. Or today it feels this way, and for 5 minutes after it feels another way. It doesn't have anything like that, like humans have. And it doesn't know who it is paying. So there can't be any manipulation or anything in that way, or any fraud happening here. So everything is recorded on the blockchain. It's a public ledger. It's available for anybody to go and view. All right, so let's look at the details of this slide here. How does it work? It's a decentralized community where the funds are flowing. Right, funds are contributed by members when they are participating, and automatically distributed back as rewards via transparent, immutable smart contract, driven by collective activity, not external trading or return on investment. And the first thing that you thought now, this is a Ponzi scheme. I'm taking money from Peter to pay Paul. The difference is, in a Ponzi scheme, everything is hidden. The owner runs away with the funds. Here, everything is open, it's transparent. It's not a company. There's no owners involved here. Nobody owns this platform. The whole community as a collective is the owners of this platform. You and I, we decide how we want to manage this. So that is the main difference. It is a principle called money rotation. It's just managed by the smart contract. And that is exactly how the banks are generating income and using their funds. The difference is just the banks take the money and they give you peanuts for it. They use your money to make money, and they rotate that money in the economy as well. This is just a different way of using that same principle. And it's using the demand is there, the community is there. The community has the demand. Right, the community supplies the supply as well. When they participate, all the funds are being staked in the smart contract, each and every one on a 30-day period. It will be staked in the smart contract for a 30-day period. The smart contract distributes all of the daily return rewards to the members. So each one according to its timestamp when they activated their what do you call it, their cycle. It's not an investment, it's a deposit that we call it. Right. So that must be clearly understood. This is not an investment, right? Everybody gets rewarded if you participate there. So once again, this is not external trading. There's no funds that are being generated by any other source of income or product that is being sold or anything like that, or any stock market or trading or any return on investment. This is purely a community-driven smart contract managed peer-to-peer decentralized finance protocol. Let's go to the next slide. And once again, this is not a trading company. It isn't a trading company. Like, one of the reasons Crypto Fortune attracts attention is its fixed daily return calculation of 3.33% applied to the active balance in the smart contract. Right, let's look at it in detail. 3.33% is calculated every 24 hours. The return is based on the current balance in your back office, right? If you have multiple cycles, multiple deposits, each one runs on its own time frame, its own 24 hours, and when that 24 hours expires, that specific cycle will be rewarded 3.33%. Right, so the return is based on the current cycle. Earnings can be withdrawn and reinvested. Right, the standard cycle is 30 days. All deposit cycles run for 30 days. Investments as well as reinvestments. Right, if someone reinvests daily, the maths over 30 days can be theoretically approached to there's a mistake there. It's 100% that you're basically going to double your funds in 30 days. But if you choose to reinvest, yes, it's correct. If someone reinvests, if you reinvest your daily rewards, then it goes up to from 100% or 99% to 167% if you do it each and every day, which is more than if you just double the original amount. So that is the power of compounding, the eighth wonder of the world. You don't have to do that. That is entirely up to you, right? So with each reinvestment starting another 30-day cycle, also generating 3.33% on that same reinvestment. And many or most members are using this at the moment. So that is your own prerogative if you want to do that, or if you just want to leave your funds and just make it double in 30 days. Or if you want to reinvest it and increase your rewards by another 67%. That is totally up to you. Right, so this is not magic, it's just compounding, and it works if returns are constantly reinvested manually. You have to do it manually. This is not an automated return or a compounding that it has. You have to log into your back office, reinvest it, claim it, and reinvest it back into the smart contract. All right, so for those already in and for those who are looking to join, this is your daily reminder. Claim your ROI physically, manually, each and every day. Reinvest it, and also when your 30-day cycles have started to expire, many members or users 30-day cycles have expired already, and then it's important to understand if it expired, it stops, it's dead money, it doesn't work for you anymore. You have to reinvest it. Right, many members are forgetting, or they don't understand it, or they just don't see it. Right, you have to go in manually into your back office under the cycles tab and reinvest that fund. Right, so the real question today is not, is this guaranteed? The question today is, do you understand the system, the risks involved, and the numbers well enough to decide if this fits, the strategy fits you? All right, so that's what we're going to unpack next. So why do you want to choose Crypto Fortune? All right, in a world of 1,000 different options, why do you want to choose Crypto Fortune? First thing is that there's no other platform that can give you 3.33% rewards for your participation in or double your funds in 30 days. All right, this is the product as well. Many people ask, what is the product? What are we selling? We're not selling anything. We are offering double your funds in 30 days. Same as the banks offering financial products or digital financial products. This is the same here, right? The Crypto Fortune is a cutting-edge, decentralized platform built on the Binance Smart Chain. Yes, we are using cryptocurrency and I'm using the Binance Smart Chain on the BEP20 network, also called the Binance Smart Chain. Right. The mission is to empower individuals across the world to generate secure, automated income through blockchain technology. Why they choose this? Because the trust issue comes in all of the platforms. And I'm sure most of us have experience of that. You have been scammed, you have been rug pulled many times before. That is why they're using the smart contract. It doesn't have emotion. You don't need to trust. It's a trustless system. You don't need trust for it. It runs automatically. The only thing that it needs is internet connection. The chances of the internet totally collapses is very, very slim. Right, so how is the funds generated? Let's look at this. This is the biggest question that people don't understand it. Right, Crypto Fortune works on the idea of fund rotation, peer-to-peer DeFi centralized. Right, money flows in and out of the smart contract as people deposit, earn, and withdraw and reinvest as well. Right, so how is the value? The value is created. Not everyone deposits and withdraws at the same time. So the contract keeps circulating funds at different users as different users enter and exit at different time periods. The world is round, so many users are from, or most users, all users are from different time zones, and they interact with the smart contract in different times. When we are awake, other side of the world is asleep, and vice versa as well, right throughout the day as the world is turning. Right, so why the system is active? People withdraw and they deposit at different times, and you can see that on the smart contract as well as on the Telegram notification channel where the deposits are being shown live, and if there's time we will go there and watch that as well. If you are a member already, please subscribe to that notification channel on Telegram so that you can see that for yourself as well in real time. Right, so some people reinvest to compound while others withdraw the profits. Some build teams and some do not. All right. The referrals, although referrals are optional, that can increase your participation and the inflow into the whole ecosystem of this protocol. Right. But we have seen now that there's a huge difference if you do refer other people. There's a huge difference. Otherwise, you're just going to double your funds, and that is not going to set you financially free. All right. There's security and transparency points that must be discussed and shared with you. It's very simple, but it's very accurate. All right. The contract can be verified on the Binance, on the BSC scan, on the blockchain itself, meaning the source code is published and it's matched what is deployed on chain for public inspection. Everybody can go and have a look at that. Nothing is hidden. It's very transparent, unlike a Ponzi scheme or an illegal money-making system. Right, the ownership has been renounced of this platform, of the smart contract. And this generally means that no one can use owner-only admin privileges anymore, reducing certain admin control risks. That means that nobody can make changes. The owners or the developers have shut the smart contract, they closed the door, they took the key and they threw it away. No one can come back to make any changes or to change the plan or to change the 3.33% to 1% or the 30-day cycle to 10 days or 40 days now. They can't make any changes like that. Right, so the earnings, the plan advertises 3.33% daily for 30 days. Many users choose to recycle or reinvest. And that's what we also call compounding, to keep the circulation going and potentially grow their daily earnings through compounding. That is totally up to you, your own prerogative. Here's just a picture of what I would just explain. So how the money actually generated in Crypto Fortune, it's a community flow of the funds. So yes, it's a money rotation platform. The funds don't come from thin air. All right, they come directly from the participants of the community. the users in this platform. Right. Now let's look at the smart contract is the boss. This is what you have to trust. You don't trust a human being here. The smart contract cannot be influenced, manipulated, changed, or anything like that. Right? Imagine a digital community funding pot that nobody owns. Instead of a person managing it, an immutable, that means an unchangeable smart contract, which has got permanent computer code, acts as an automated referee. So it follows strict rules that cannot be changed ever. So that is supposed, that must give you full confidence that the money is safe there. Right? Nobody can tamper with the smart contract. Right? What has been written in the codes, it will execute when certain conditions are met. Right, so when funds enter the system, the smart contract instantly routes them directly to other members. There's no middleman, no corporate bank account, no third party involved here. It's peer-to-peer via a smart contract. It's not from John to Rose directly. It's through the smart contract. The smart contract is from John to the smart contract. The smart contract sends it to Rose or to Pete or to Mary or whoever is supposed to be remunerated or rewarded. All right, so there's no direct sending from me to you, or everything goes via the smart contract, and the smart contract distributes it according to the codes that are written in it. All right, so the rewards for participating. This is the key. This is not magic savings account. We don't tap our fingers and the money falls into the wallet suddenly. Right. It's when members or users participate in this platform by depositing funds into the protocol for 30-day staking periods, the funds are distributed according to the codes written in the smart contract. And it is a platform that rewards you daily for actively participating and keeping the funds rotating within the community. Right, so in short, the money isn't generated by external trading. It's a transparent, automated flow of community funds directed by code to reward active members. So the disclaimer is, once again, this is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Cryptocurrency participation involves risk. And do your own research and only participate with funds that you can afford to lose, please. Right, so the mechanics, let's look at that. We're almost finished with this presentation here, and I want to get to the videos as well. All right, so Crypto Fortune operates through a blockchain automation using an immutable smart contract system that functions exactly as it's coded. That I have explained that already. Daily earnings is 3.33% every 24 hours on all active cycles, including investments and reinvestments. Right, although no recruiting is required, it is we do suggest that you look at that because there is huge income that you can get from that. Right, so minimum requirements. The startup, everyone, the minimum is to start is $10 US. The maximum in your first 30 days is $500 US. Now, why? I've got $1 million. I want to benefit as much as I can from this platform because this is very easy, it's smart. I want to put my million in here for 30 days, and after 30 days, I want to take out 2 million and I want to leave. You cannot do that, right? Because we want to protect the system for a longer time, to protect it from you, who is a whale basically that wants to suck the system dry and just manipulate the system. And leave the rest of the community dry without them having the chance to continue. So they have implemented an anti-whale mechanism. And that is the minimum or the maximum that you can deposit into the system in your first 30-day cycle. Right, so or if you want to refer other people, the minimum is for you is an own deposit of $20. Right, minimum withdrawal is $5. Minimum reinvestment is also $5. Right, now let's look at the anti-whale system. Just look at the picture here. You'll get a better picture here. So the Crypto Fortune deposit plans, 3.33% daily up to 30 days. And then your principal is returned automatically. The first cycle, your first 30 days, is you deposit from 10 to 500 US dollars. You get a daily return of 3.33%. For 30 days after your 30-day cycle has expired, it will be released when you claim your ROI for that day. It will be released and you need to reinvest it back into the system for another 30 days as well. Right, so then opens up your second cycle and you can deposit up to 2,000 US dollars for your second 30 days from external funds. Please understand that. From external funds, you can deposit up to $500. But from within the system, you can reinvest more than $500. Many members have done that. They have compounded way above what the limit is from within the system. But from external funds, you are capped on only $500 in your first 30 days. Your second 30-day second cycle, you're capped on 2,000 US dollars from external funds. And on your third cycle, when that opens up, you will be capped on 5,000 US dollars that you can deposit from external funds. But from within the system, you can reinvest more than 2,000, more than 5,000 on your third cycle. Right, so let's just look at that. If there's anything I missed. Then also on your fourth cycle, when you have to complete each cycle to go to the next one. That is the mandatory requirement there. There's no other way for you to skip a cycle or to get faster to cycle 2 or 3 or 4. You have to start at cycle 1. If you want to start with 1,000 US dollars, you have to simply open more positions and maximize them with $500 each. That's just an example. Many people want to do that. So, or you want to come in with $2,000, you just open 4 positions and you max them with 500 US dollars each. That's another option for you to do that. All right. So after each cycle is complete, then the next cycle opens up. That means the limit that you can deposit increases. So in your after your third cycle has been completed, then the fourth cycle will open, and that's also a maximum deposit of $5,000 that you can deposit in those subsequent cycles. So yes, at the moment we are 51 days active on the smart contract, and that means that many members are in the second cycle already. We haven't reached the end of the second cycle. It will be only in about 10 days from now. So then the third cycle will open up. All right, so John, earning strategy, this is only for educational purposes only. This is what we teach our team. So daily reinvestment increases the compounding potential, as we mentioned earlier on. If you're just going to leave it, it's going to basically give you 99.9%. There's still the old figure here. 99.9% compared to if you do reinvest, you increase it to 167%. Right? To generate $5 daily, a balance of approximately $150 if you buy it, not $151. It's $150. All right, so reinvestment can begin on day 1 if you start with $150. Then the 24 hours later, you will earn $5 exactly, and that you can reinvest immediately. So then reinvestment can begin on your first day already, your first 24 hours expired. A 200 self-deposit is commonly used to unlock most bonus features. That is the perfect amount to start with, between $200 and $500. That means you unlock all of the bonuses for the 20 level deep referral program as well. And you can invest or reinvest from the second day as well. Because if you come in with $200, you will receive $6.66 on your next day, on your first 24 hours. Right? And compounding through reinvestment supports long-term growth as well. Right? How do you start in Crypto Fortune? We do suggest people only use SafePal wallet, although other wallets are also advised, but we found that SafePal is the most user-friendly one. You download SafePal wallet, set it up. You will be required to add a USDT, BEP20, as well as BNB, BEP20 for gas fees, about $1 of BNB, and then the amount that you want to start your stake or your deposit in Crypto Fortune with, in USDT. Please take note that you do understand this and that you're using the correct network, correct coins. Many people are making mistakes. Many people are getting confused between BNB, BEP20 and OPBNB network because they look the same. Right, and we have all made those mistakes. And that's how we learn. Right, so then you register with the link from the person that invited you and you deposit. We must change this. It's not invest. Then you deposit and you just enjoy your earnings. Right, so important features, this platform is audited from the beginning and it's monitored 24/7 by Hayes Crypto Securities. And you can find it at hayescrypto.net. Right, also here is the smart contract address. It operates strictly via immutable smart contract. Right, no one can change it or manipulate the system or pause it or shut it down. Reinvestment uses earned funds only. Right, you can reinvest from your earned funds from your ROI or your network rewards. Right, referrals are optional and must be done ethically, but it's highly recommended, right, although it is optional. So we are transparent and upfront with everything. And like in anything in life, when people are getting too excited, they take everything out of context and they go haywire and then they make misuse of the platform. And although the competition creates false narratives and fear and panic, and then the members start withdrawing. So what has happened now? The platform has kicked in with its measures to curb the draining of the smart contract liquidity pool. So there's a limit to the number of or the amount of withdrawals that you can make each and every day, although you can make withdrawals. That is to protect the liquidity pool and for sustainability reasons as well. All right, so we have to mention that to you, but the rest of the plan still stays the same. Minimum deposit is $10. Right, you will receive 3.33% each and every day for a duration of 30 days. Referral rewards are given to upline users at the time of the deposit. Not many people ask when I receive it. You receive it immediately. This is smart contract. Everything is done instantly on the blockchain. Right, there's no withdrawal request or you have to ask for your money or anything like that. You receive it directly, and the minimum withdrawal is $5. Right, so the deposit amount must be in multiples of $1. For example, $10, $100, and so on. Minimum is $10. If you want to reinvest, it's from $5 and up. No cents to be reinvested or deposited in the smart contract. Okay. Cycles, maximum deposit rules. Anti-whale system, maximum 500 deposit in your first 30 days. It's ownership free and it's fully audited from day one. It is sustainable and transparent, gives from transparent returns as well. Everything is recorded on the blockchain as well. It's got a 20-level deep referral system for those interested to do that. Right. As long as there is a demand, and this is your question, how long is it going to sustain? The question I have for you is, how long do you want to receive double your funds in 30 days? That is the question you need to answer. So as long as there's a demand for the reward, the reward is double your funds in 30 days. Right, there will be a need for participation. And I have never ever seen a person that says no to double their funds in 30 days. Right, this is secure, it's automated, there's no way of scam or running away with the funds. The fund is protected, it's safe, no one can get hold of it, no one can make changes to the plan. Simply put, the demand to 2x your funds will always be there until the last day that Earth exists. All right, and as long as we are alive on Earth, the supply is within the community and the smart contract is managing it. So this might sound totally weird and strange to most of the people, but if you look at it, it's how it's working. It's actually a very brilliant, smart idea, because you remove the trust issue where you have to trust people that will run away with your money, that will steal your money, that will stab you in the back. The smart contract cannot do that, absolutely not. There's a constant demand. Is there anyone on this meeting now that does not need money? Not one of you does not need money. Everyone needs money on a daily and monthly basis. Right, then you just need to participate. It's just simple. Participate and be rewarded. The community members' activity contribute to the funds of the system. Right, you might think it's a Ponzi, money gets rotated by the smart contract. It's not a company with an owner that needs to be registered. All right, so the smart contract management, that's the engine, it's the body. It's pre-programmed, it's incorruptible, a set of rules that's managing the supply that comes into the smart contract, and it distributes it according to the codes fairly to each and every participant. Right. So the outcome is automation is distribution of the W funds back to the participants, and that replenishes the supply again. So like in anything in life, any industry, there's a rotation of anything like this. In business, there's new products being sold and old products coming in and out, and people bringing in cash, and that cash gets used to pay people to buy new products, to buy new put new products on the shelves, but then it circulates again out of circulation, and then the same system continues. That's exactly the same thing that happens here. All right. That is basically what it is here, and I think we're at the end of our presentation. And I want to take you to the video. I want to play this video for you. Many people still do not understand where the money comes from. All right, I'm going to play this very, very short video for you.
Today I want to break down the...
You won't be able to hear it now. You just put on the sound. And we only have 1 minute left, but this is only 1 minute long. So thank you for your time, ladies and gentlemen. Reach out to the person that invited you and enjoy the rest of your day. So I'm going to play out with this 1 minute video.
Hey family, today I want to break down the real engine behind Crypto Fortune and answer the big question: how is the money actually generated? It's all about supply and demand. As long as people want to double their funds in 30 days, there will always be a need for participation. That's the core demand. Super simple, right? Now, let's talk about the supply. The supply isn't coming from some secret vault or a shady CEO. It's created by the community, for the community. Crypto Fortune runs on a P2P DeFi protocol. No company, no owner, no one pulling the strings behind the curtain. And this is what makes it different from a Ponzi or a traditional bank. Ponzis have a boss who can just disappear with everyone's money. Banks, they use your money and pocket the profits. But here, a smart contract handles everything. Funds go directly between users. No middleman, no funny business. It's 100% decentralized, and the smart contract is unchangeable. That means every transaction is peer-to-peer, and all the value stays right inside the community. But remember, this isn't magic. You're not promised ROI from thin air. The rewards come from real participation. The community provides the supply, the smart contract manages it, and active members benefit. Want to see for yourself? Check the description, get involved, and I'll see you on the inside.